How to adjust sound settings. Some prefer silence, others voices and music that guide them through the Word. In Biblical Chaplets, you choose for yourself. We will now show you how to do it quickly and easily. When you are on the Chaplet prayer screen, open the Sound and Music module. You can easily turn all sound elements on or off. You decide which ones remain on and which ones do not. The Biblical Chaplet app uses the speech synthesizer that is in your phone. It is a system that allows you to read the displayed text. If the voice in the application does not work, is inappropriate or reads incorrectly, watch the video, How to Set the Text Reader's Voice. The reading speed is set by default. If you change it, you can always return to the initial settings with one click of the circular arrow. The background music consists of short instrumental pieces that accompany prayer. One of them is set by default, but you can change it by choosing from the available tracks. You can listen to each of them, and if you like one, you can download it and set it for yourself. You can change the sounds of the prayer beads in the same way. Rhema Foundation. We serve the Word that awakens life.